thought he saved it, man. It squirted all right here. It squirted it all. God damn, man. That's why that bitch was all uncontrollable. Damn. He done messed it up, the truck, man. Let me get down here. Man, he done took off, and then he was dripping oil all the way down the track, man. It's all this oil just splattered. And you know, he got that turbo. It was out of control, man. Oh, look at all that oil. Oh shit, I just stepped in. Man. Oh, he's still leaking.
Driving okay.
Driver out and all right. He all right. Yeah.
I ain't gonna lie, I turned mine off. I was like, oh, it ain't never left like that. You have it?
Oh yeah, that's probably what happened. Hey man, this my boy too, man. Still leaking.
Hey, you wanna put a bucket over there or something?
Yeah, man. Ain't no bucket.
Hey, you got a bucket?
We out here with the tires, man.
Hey. That's so
Dang, man, this was crazy, man.
what's up, man?
Nothing I can't believe, man. We was just complimenting the truck on how nice it is and stuff.
Yeah, then he wants to stand up on us.
Yeah.
I don't know why they put those there.
And you said it ain't never stood up.
It's never done that.
So what you did, apply some more power for the day or what?
It did this normal thing.
Damn. You know they always talking about just send it and full boost and all that. I know y'all be listening to all the turbo people. They want full send, just send it. Turn it up. Fuck how it turns out. And now look at, man. God damn.
I let out and then tried to get it.
Man, I thought you had it on the first circle.
It got oil on the tire, he was just fighting.
Man, I thought you had it on that first circle.
That's some World Star shit, though.
Yeah, that's World Star. Hey, man, at least my boy all right. He all right, man. Mario Ashton said post my, I'll put your Instagram on there.
I told you it'd be fine.
This my boy, man, slower than you. You know what I'm saying? He got a YouTube channel also. For y'all that don't know him, he got a YouTube channel called Slower Than You. He did all the little street races. Go to church. Man, I guess it's still good. They ain't mess up that much. I don't think the frame or nothing messed up.
I mean, yeah, it doesn't look like there was no liquid under there.
It went sideways when you went up. It went like that.
Hey,
I think it went back up, you blew the tires on.
That's a wild video.
Bam, man. Hello, buddy. From what it looks like to you, is that any frame damage? Or it could be fixed? You could always fix, okay. Man.
It's a neutral, right? Should be,
all that glue, man, it's hard to push it. Damn. Yeah, I got my Mustang running. I'm here in it. Oh man, he left up in the air, and when it came down, I think he squirted some oil, and I think an oil line or something came loose, and then he got squirrely, and then it went on and wrecked, man. He saved it about 2-3 times, and then it just, boom, wrecked it.
Did you let go of the wheel when you hit the wall? Or were you still holding on?
Loosely though.
Did it hurt?
Did it hurt any?
It hurt my balls, dude. That strap that comes up right there.
Yeah.
No joke.
Hey, channel's fixing to blow up.
Yeah. They love to see somebody wreck.
Hey, I told you there wasn't a bald spot. Look. Come on.
Yeah, it hurt all of it.
Yeah, it took all of it.
It ain't never done that.
It ain't never. Man, it went way up in the air and then sat down and went straight right. He corrected it, brung it back, spent the left, it did a donut. I thought it was all right, then it did another donut. I thought it was all right, then it said, nah, looking for the wall.
Is this a good time to tell everybody you're my tuner?
Watch out, guys. You better stick to that.
We make shit go.
We make shit go.
What's up with it, man? Show me what it's made of. Ridge Street. All right, man, we got the tow truck in the building. All right, y'all, we getting them towed in. We at XRP, Dallas, Texas, / Ferris, Texas. We got neutral in the building. He leaking like he mother. He got all out back here on the back tire, so you know he was, you know, Mike Suit ass. Yeah, I got it. You got it too. We got my boy Jay Shape over there. He in the back of that truck. Everybody thought he was gone. He's still getting good footage, chilling. Got a good, comfortable seat.